The 4-Pack Kids art frames by AFEION present a thoughtful and practical way to display and store children's artwork. These frames come in a wood grain finish with a front opening design that allows for easy swapping of art pieces while protecting them from dust and damage. The set includes 2 sizes, 8 by 10.5 inches with a mat and 9 by 12 inches without a mat, accommodating a variety of artwork dimensions. This versatility is useful for parents and caregivers who want to showcase different types of crafts, drawings, and projects created by children. One of the standout features of these frames is their capacity. Each frame can hold up to 50 pieces of artwork, allowing for a curated collection to be stored neatly behind the displayed piece. This storage feature is especially valuable for preserving memories and managing the often overwhelming volume of children's art. The frames come with pre-installed hooks, making wall mounting straightforward and secure. The front opening mechanism simplifies the process of updating the display, encouraging regular rotation of artwork. Users appreciate the quality and weight of the frames, noting that they feel sturdy and well made. The wood material with a varnished finish adds a touch of elegance, making them suitable for various home decors. Many reviewers have found these frames to be a great way to build a personal gallery of children's art, which can be both motivating and rewarding for young artists. However, some users have pointed out areas where the product could improve. The acrylic front pane, while lightweight, tends to scratch, yellow, and cloud over time, which detracts from the clarity and longevity of the display. A glass pane would be preferable for durability and aesthetic reasons, though it might add weight and cost. Another concern is the lack of a mechanism to hold the displayed artwork flush against the front pane. Without tape or another securing method, the artwork can shift or create a shadow box effect, which some find unsatisfactory. The elastic bands included are attached to the back and serve only to hold stored artwork, not the displayed piece. Some users have experienced issues with the plastic glass breaking easily and have noted a lack of clear instructions. The frames come with extra plastic parts whose purpose is unclear, and attempts to seek product support have been frustrating due to unrelated information being provided. Despite these drawbacks, many find the frames practical and useful, especially for rotating displays and storing older artwork. The frames have been well received as gifts, with recipients appreciating the combination of functionality and aesthetic appeal. They do not break the bank, making them an accessible option for families looking to celebrate their children's creativity without a significant investment. Overall, the 4-Pack Kids art frames by AFEION offer a stylish, functional solution for displaying and storing children's artwork. They combine versatility in size, ample storage capacity, and ease of use with a solid build quality. While there are some shortcomings related to the acrylic front and the lack of a securing mechanism for the displayed art, the frames serve their purpose well and provide a charming way to honor young artists' efforts. For those interested in supporting the channel, the product link is in the description, and leaving a review if you own these frames helps others make informed decisions.